Hey everyone, today I'll be going over problem number 122 from the Exam FM practice problems provided by the Society of Actuaries. Cash flows are 40,000 at time 2, 25,000 at time 3, sorry about the cutoff here, but it also says 100,000 at time 4. We have that the effective yield rate is 7%. Calculate the Macaulay duration. So I already conveniently provided with the Macaulay duration formula, which is the summation of T times the cash flow times the discount of however many years it is, divided by the summation of the cash flows times the discount. So this is a pretty basic problem. Once you know the formula, you just plug everything in. We have that the first cash flows is 40,000, so that's 40,000 times T, which is 2 years, V2. Plus, we have that there's 25,000 cash flow at time 3, so that's time 3, V3, plus 100,000 at time 4, so times 4, V4. Here, let me move this over to the left side for you guys to see. Like that. So if you know the discount formula, which you should know by now, Vt equals 1 plus I to the negative t. So for this example, 40,000 times 2, and V squared would be 1.07, because it's a 7% interest rate over here, to the negative 2. And then we do that for the rest. 25,000 times 3 times 1.07 to the negative 3 plus 100,000 times 4 times 1.07 to the negative 4. And once we try to solve this, let's see, 1.07, 7 times 2 times 40,000 gives us 69,875. We'll store that in 1. And then we move on to the next one, next cash flow, which is 1.07 to the negative 3 times 3 times 25,000. That gives us 61,222. And we'll store this in storage 2. And then for the final one, 1.07, 4 times 4 times 100,000 gives us 305,000, and we store this in 3. So if we recall 1 plus 2 plus 3, we get that the numerator is 436,255.52. So this is the numerator. Okay. Now we need to solve for the denominator, which does not include multiplying the t. So to do this, we just divide this, try to squeeze in the denominator here. We put our calculator, the 40,000 times, I'll actually do 1.07 first, times 40,000 gives us this number. Store that, let's store that in 4. And then 1.07 to negative 3 times 25,000. Store that in 5. And then 1.07 times 100,000 store that in 6. Okay, recall 4 plus recall 5 plus recall 6 gives us 131,634. So if we do our numerator, 436,255.52 divided by our answer, we get 3.31. And that is answer choice D, which says 3.3.